The root of all success isn't money, it's mindset. Nobody is ever too busy. If they are interested, they will make time. Beautiful people are not always good, but good people are always beautiful. I don't compare myself with others. I know I am the best in my own way. The biggest difference between money and time: you always know how much money you have, but you never know how much time you have. Every person is struggling with their own situation, so every silence is not ego. No matter how good you are, if you are in a wrong place, you are worthless. Don't think too much, just do what makes you happy. Whatever makes your soul happy, do that. Life is short, time is fast, no reply, no rewind, so enjoy every moment as it comes. I just wanna be happy, not confused, not hurt, not stressed, just happy. Learn to stay happy with yourself, not everyone will stay. Life is beautiful. One day, 1 hour, and 1 minute will not come again in your entire life. Avoid fights, angriness, and speak lovely to every person. Sometimes I want to treat people how they treat me, but I can't because that's not my character. Dear self, sorry for always breaking you for others. Sorry, my mistake for thinking you loved me. Believe it or not, but one-sided love is always true and pure. I know our journey is hard, but I promise I will stay with you in every situation. Unexpected friendships are always the most special. Always remember that your present situation is not your final destination. The best is yet to come. Sorry, just a little word, but can save many relationships. I am not silent, I just avoid speaking with fake people. I am not cute, I am not beautiful, I am not intelligent, I am not perfect, but I am not fake. My brain is saying, forget that person. My heart is saying, hold on, don't let go. When you let go, you create space for something better. Life is simply a range of mountains, some things high and sometimes low. Do everything with a good heart and expect nothing is returned. Don't be afraid to start all over again. You may like your new story better. If you liked this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Take care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Thanks for watching my entire video. Allah Hafiz.